Hi. So this is a course I'm going to launch shortly. This is about performance optimization. So this comes from the situation that we have at workplace. Like say 80% of the workforce is not very satisfied with their workplace environment, their boss or their colleagues or their appraisal or their growth. So why that is happening? So everywhere you go, there is a complaint about the workplace, and about the job, uh, with which we spend one third of the day every day, and that is the most productive time of our day is spent at office or at our workplace. Now, if we are not enjoying that place and we are not enjoying our workplace, I say we are wasting our time, valuable time, one third of our time in that place, and that dissatisfaction we are carrying over to other aspects of our lives, other time as well. So, do you think that the other person is always responsible for the same thing? It is not actually most of the time. How much are we responsible for that is to be happening? If you look very closely and if you ask yourself honestly, there are at least 50% of our own contribution uh, uh, to such a situation. And why this is so important to be resolved and improved, or say uh, taken care of, because everybody wants to be happy in their life, right? And if you understand about the the way you can improve your work situation, your life situation, then there is a subtle law of the universe that operates for all of us. So that is what, like say, you need to be one needs to be very happy uh, all throughout to manifest anything that is positive. So be it your health, be it your progress, uh, be it your finances. So, like say, one needs to be, observing to understand why this is happening. So, if you are not happy at workplace, then you actually sabotage your chance of manifesting any of those. So that is the subtle thing. And if you start doing little changes according to this particular law, which I'll be teaching in this particular course, then you will see a certain shift in your perspective, that things are developing, things are improving, uh, and this has to be practiced. It is not a matter of 1 or 2 days. It has to be practiced consistently, and one has to go about a certain way of life. It is not changing yourself drastically. It is just your approach, your actions, your behavior, and your mindset that is going to count. And this will only change. Suppose you are angry, then you will behave in a certain way, and if you are happy you will behave in another way. So why you are angry at the first place? That is because of certain perception of yours, maybe, or some external situations. So that external situation is because you are not in control of that particular situation, which is why something is irritating you. Now, if you know how to be in charge of the entire situation, you need to have some kind of mindset and some kind of strength in you to be able to handle that thing and be happy ultimately, whatever happens. Like say, you will not be feeling guilty all the time whenever there is something happening and you are not feeling angry at the first place. You are not very reactive, you are just responsive to every situation. You are a responsible person, you have to be responsible for everything that is happening, and you are responsible for your own life. And like say, it is not a very rocket science thing. We know all those values, we already know, but certainly we don't practice them in the workplace and when it counts. So that is all about this course, where I will be training you to consistently practice this small things in life, to be able to be happy at workplace and be responsible for your progress. Thank you.